Do you know what are the top 3 best luxurious 7-star hotels in India in 2022? Firstly, open the app trip.com. If you haven't had it on your phone, you may click the link below in the description box to get it. The threshold for this categorization, 7-star, is primarily based on the property's hospitality, luxury, and comfort. Besides, the overall experience is seen as nothing short of magnificence. Click on hotels and then search for the following hotels by their names. The first one is Brownback Palace. The second one is Umaid Bhavan Palace. And the third one is Taj Falak Numa Palace. Simply click on the offer you prefer and you may book the hotel right away.